Hi, this is Ian Matthew, Technical Marketing Manager for Autodesk Oil and Gas Solutions. In this video, Orthographic Drawings Part 1, I'm going to show you ortho creation, match lines, a jogged ortho cube, paper check for scale, hidden line representation styles and cut pipe symbols, pipe gaps, placement, rotation and scaling, and in Part 2 we'll explore the ortho section of project setup, including paths, elbow centerline display, editing the title block, and layer mapping. And we'll also look closely at annotating and dimensioning. I've created a project called Ortho Demo. This model includes XREFT, structure, and piping models. I could start by clicking Create Ortho View on the ribbon, but for this example, I'll go to the Ortho tab in the Project Manager and create the new ortho there. I enter a file name, in this case Plan View, and then click OK. Now I click New View on the Ortho View ribbon. A preview drawing displays the transparent green ortho cube defines a clipping range and is the only object that can be edited in the preview drawing. The transparent red side shows the view selected, the top view. Clicking on match lines will create match line annotation automatically. And clicking Paper Check in the ribbon allows you to quickly check the scale of the drawing. The Hidden Lines Piping button allows you to select where the lines hidden are to be shown dashed. Now I can check OK to place the drawing view in the sheet and to start the drawing creation. So here is our plan view. Notice the dashed lines for hidden pipes and the match line annotation. Now let's edit this view to create a jog in the ortho cube. We click Edit View and select this view. Now we'll click Add Jog in the ribbon. Click on this rear bottom edge to create a section jog, as you see here. We can switch to a top view to adjust the jog. We just simply move them around until we have a satisfactory view. We can change the type or whatever, then Create the New View automatically updates the view for us with the new jog. Now here's the new view. We can jog as much as we like to create a complex jog. Now I'd like to show you how to make a gap in a pipe to see what's behind. Using the Pipe Gap tool, I select the pipe, define the gap by using the grip, and then update the view. Here we right-click on the view. Now you can see the hand wheel. So now let's quickly edit the view once again to show you cut pipe symbols. This time, instead of top, we'll select the front view. Cut pipe symbols are set to show by default. When we zoom in, we can see the cut pipe. Now let's go back to the piping model and create another drawing view. I'm going to prepare the model by selecting the line number of interest and the equipment. We've used the Select by Line Number and then the Hide Isolate commands in order to prepare our model. Now we're done. We click the ribbon command and click Create New Ortho View. We create a new drawing called Line 10001 and click OK. The preview drawing appears, and this time I'm going to add another model by choosing to add in one of the structural models. Then I can see my pipe on the pipe rack in the ortho cube. Now I'll move to a top view, which makes it easier to set the cutting plane, and I'll resize the ortho cube. Let's bring in the sides a bit so we're clipped to where we want to see. Now we can save this ortho cube by using the Save Ortho Cube command. We simply give it a name and click OK. Now let's go ahead and place this view in the drawing in the upper left hand corner. There we go. Now let's create another section. So we'll click New View, select my models, and we now load the ortho view that we had created before. Let's move to a back view, and now we'll generate the next view as you see here. Now let's create another view. This time we're going to select just the pipe. And we'll reuse the same ortho view to set our cube dimensions. And this time let's create an isometric view. We can use the cube to rotate that view in any direction we like, as you see here. As I place it, I see I'll need to adjust the scale. I can use the in-place menus or the command line to select the new scale for this particular view. So let's go ahead and select a more appropriate scale and place the view where we want it. There we go, there's our new ISO view. Earlier I published a 3D DWF of the same line and added it to my ortho drawing using the DWF underlay functionality. So now we have a 3D rendering as well as an ortho version of our pipe in our drawing. You can also use AutoCAD's rotate, move and align options to create ortho views aligned to non-WCS piping. As you can see, creating orthographic drawings with AutoCAD Plant 3D is simple and straightforward. In the next ortho video, I'll explain how to annotate and dimension ortho drawings. We'll also make changes to the model and update orthos and annotations. Thank you for watching.